How similar should the new Galaxy S22 devices be to its predecessors? I think Samsung would answer this question with a yes. Here's our first hands-on of the new Samsung devices for NextPit. As expected from Samsung, the new devices are super high quality. Optically, however, the brand has parted with the two-tone back from the predecessor. Instead, the S22 series looks kinda like the fan edition of the Galaxy S21 that was released in January. The true innovations lie in the processor and the cameras. For 2022, Samsung has decided to again give us two variants of the device, one with the new Exynos 2200 and one with the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. In terms of cameras, Samsung is finally providing its high-end devices with a 3x optical zoom instead of relying on digital zoom as we saw in the past. Additionally, we get one 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter and a main camera with 50 megapixels. The night pictures are also supposed to look better than those of the predecessor. Great, let's turn off the lights then. In terms of hardware, there are not many more improvements to be found. Samsung still relies on rather small batteries with slow quick charging of just 25 watts, with the exception of the S22 Plus, which can be charged via 45 watts. The option to insert microSD cards is still missing as well. Thankfully, there's joy to be found in the software side of things. Samsung is further expanding its software guarantee from 4 to 5 years for security updates and 4 major Android versions. If you are still interested in the new Samsung Galaxy S22 devices, come back in a few days for our full-length review of the new Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus. Until then, please like and subscribe and leave your first thoughts of the devices in the comments below.